Okay, so here's the hood. It's in a. I just had popped it from inside the car, and it's in a closed position mostly. Sorry about the light. Doing the best I can here. So you can see as I popped it up, it comes out to the VW logo. And hold on a second, I'm pulling it. Okay, so what we have here is the logo, or I'm sorry, this thing. It's hard to hold everything at once. And when I pull on it, I had the flashlight in my mouth while I was trying to film all this, so I hope you get the gist of it just by looking at it there. Putting this up